Hi, in this video, I wanted to show you three different kinds of warning signs that pop up in SourceLinker and how you might be able to handle each of those kind of cases. So in this first one, we have a look where everybody on the left-hand side is green with a warning sign. And so the first thing to do is to hover over, not click on just yet, but just hover over the detached warning sign. And it'll show us that this is connected to somebody of a similar name in the tree already. And as we go through all of the names here, it looks like all of them are a match and they're attached to another family. So this is a simple case of a duplicate that we need to go through and take each one of these and merge this August with this August. So we would take this PID number and this PID number, take those over to merge and get this family cleaned up. So that's the first look at warning signs, is when everybody on the left side is already attached to another family. It's an easy fix to go through and merge that family. The second one here that you might come across is a disjointed detach. And so here we see, as we hover over the person on the left, the person on the right shows up green. So as we take our mouse and hover over the detach button, it says that this Joseph is attached to somebody else in the tree named Maria S., which she is down here. So it looks like somebody began attaching these records and had the focus person misaligned or something really simple and backed out of the record. So what we want to do, this is a really easy way to, a really easy one to handle, is this is obviously not the same person. So we are going to detach. And for the reason for the detaching the source, we are going to say that it was attached to the wrong person in this record. And then that will free it up so we can now compare it to the proper person and go ahead and add this through. So I'll finish up that record, but here's our final one. So here we see that only these children down here, these siblings, have a warning sign. If we hover over that warning sign, it'll say that please add parents before adding siblings to family tree. So as soon as we add these parents over, those warning signs will go away. So a good rule of thumb is that you want to add both parents, if they're available, before you start adding siblings. That will get all of the family relationships done upright and less chance of it needing to be fixed later on, where you have to tie the husband and wife together. So let's go ahead and add these parents in. And you can see, as we've done the first parent here, these are freed up so that we can add those over. But again, the rule of thumb is we want to add both of them before we do so. And then I would go ahead and attach the rest of these. So in this video, we just talked about three different kinds of warning signs where they're all green on the left side, or where there is disjointed or mismatched ones from left to right. And this one, this final example, where the siblings had warning signs because there was no parents listed for relationships to take place.